Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to create this app and learn how to create the UI in this form using the grid view and the card view libraries. So it's very important app and very important tutorial to understand the card views, sector views and UI. So in order to create this app, we will start by creating a new project, Android project, and selecting the empty app, and I will rename it as in a modern dashboard. So it's very important tutorial to understand the material design, card views, and resector views, libraries, and examples. So don't miss those like, subscribe, and get more tutorials and daily uploads. So we are hoping to reach 50,000 subscribers. Help us to help you and many other people. Just subscribe now. Okay, I will start by implementing the needed or required libraries in the Gradle. So I will search for card, and this is a very fast idea and very fast way. I search for CardView and click to download the library. So it is imported, or you can put the implementation and Android X CardView 1.0.0. Now I will update these libraries to the latest versions. So what I've did, just I search for CardView and click on the download button. And if you want, you can put Android X.CardView.card 2 points CardView and the latest version. Now I will copy these icons. This icon will be available in the description below, and I will copy them to the drawable. So drawable folder and copy yes. These are the card views or the drawable needed for our app. Now I want to create is changing the style for a no action bar. Now in this I will go to the activity main layout and change the constraint layout to scroll view. So scroll view, if you don't know about it, you can download master Android app and learn more about the concepts, or subscribe to get the latest tutorials we are making. The course complete Android developer course. It's very important to subscribe to get daily uploads. Now we will create a linear layout with orientation vertical. And we will create a relative layout having wrap content and match parent for width and height respectively. Now I will create margins for this layout. And I will create 20 dp for margin to the right. Now margin left also 20 dp, and this is our relative layout inside the linear layout inside a scroll view. So in this relative layout we will put the content. Now I will create an image view for displaying the image, having a layout with match parent 60, 80 to 80 dp, 60 dp. You can change, increase the size, or increase the size or decrease the size. And I will create a layout margin from the top 32 dp for the relative layout. You can download the source code from the description below. Now Android source, I will use and put the source of this image as profile image. These icons are available in the description below, so click subscribe and like to keep us making new tutorials, new free courses. Now I will create a text view above the image view describing what is the dashboard. It is like a title for the dashboard. And this is the code for the white. Now text size is 22 dp, and the text is my profile. So I will keep it text color white because I will change. I'm just making it black to see the text. I will change it to white again because I'm going to change the background color for the whole app. Now I will create underneath the relative layout the grid layout, and I will create the layout for the grid layout match parent and wrap content for the height. Now, and the grid layout, I will make it add a row count will be 3. Now the column count will be 2. So what this means, we are creating 3 rows and 2 columns. So the alignment mode, align margins. These are very important attributes used in the grid layout. If you want to learn more about grid layout, go to a Master Android app and download it from the Play Store, and go to section of UI and material design, user interface, and see the grid layout and how it works. Now we came to the grid view, or for the card view. Underneath the grid, inside the grid, we are creating the card view layout, or underneath the grid we are creating or inside the grid layout we are creating the card view layout or UI in order to make our cards displayed in a grid view and also in a scrollable view. So what we are doing, we are creating card view inside the scrollable view, and then and in a grid view. So now we are creating the attributes for the card view. I'm creating the layout column weight is equal to 1. These are they are also very important attributes used inside the card view. And now we are using the card elevation, which is equal to 6. You can read also on the documentations of the Google, and if you want to learn more about them, you can go to Master Android channel, subscribe and in our channel, and you can also download Master Android app from the Play Store and learn more about Android. We are creating layout margin 12 dp, and now we are creating a new linear layout having the width as a match parent and the height as a match parent. And the layout gravity, it's very important to use gravity for the Android linear layout to be a center, to centralize the card. Now I'm using also padding for linear layout and creating an Android orientation vertical. So inside this linear layout, we are going to create the image view and the text view included for every card. Now this is image view, and I will create the source would be for my pictures. For this I will use just an example or a test for Android. They are very big because I'm making them 800. I need to make them 80. Now we have make it well clear for the image view. Now we are going to create a text view also having the wrap content and wrap content for the width and the height, and taking the text hello text, and the size would be 18 sp. What is it is sp. I recommend using sp for the text view because we'll configure and it will be resized according to the size of the device screen. I would choose text color accent, okay. I will create a color here. Now this is the layout. I will copy the color, going back to the text color, and I will change it to black. What's happening? Okay, I will close the text view tag. The margin, I will create margin top for 12 dp, and I will close the text view. Now we have finished this layout. We have created the card view. Inside the card view, we have created a linear layout containing the image and the text. This is the card view. and now they have appeared. I will copy and paste them, copy and paste, copy again and again, and we have created them. So in order to create, I will now change the images according to the drawable folder and the drawables that we have create and put inside the drawable folder, and also change the text. So what I'm doing, what we have done, we have created a simple layout of the card view, and we have copied it 8 times, and now we are configuring them inside the grid view. We are configuring the text and the image for the cards inside the text view, the grid view. So we have created a scroll view. Inside the scroll view, we have created a grid view. Inside the grid view, we have created card views. Card views contains a linear layout containing the image and the text. These are complex UI. You have to make practice for them time to ensure that you have the ability to create UIs for your app. So UI is very important, and material design is also important, and we will create new videos, new apps for making and developing our users' skills in creating UIs and material designs. So I'm just configuring the icons, changing the text, please don't miss to like and subscribe below to get latest tutorials and basic and everything about Android and Flutter and coding in general. Here we go. I'm changing the text and the icons. Also making the image view here, the latest one, changing it to our YouTube icon, and text view is subscribe. So subscribe now below to get latest tutorial. Now we will save and we will run. Now just one thing, we need to create to change the background of the app. We will create a gradient layout. So what I'm doing, I'm making a gradient layout, which is this, having the source code for these colors. It's very important. These are the gradient colors. They are very I will change them. Also you can use whatever you want from the colors and change the degree of the angle. I would change it, making it 45. It's very important to learn and make a UI that attracts the user for your app. So in order to change it, we are going to assign the background for the gradient. Call a drawable gradient. Here we go. We click run and see the results. Here we go. Amazing. It's powerful and amazing content. I will change the colors. Oh, you can change the colors of the gradient inside the gradient layout. Thank you guys. I hope you subscribe and like to get latest offers, latest tutorials and latest codes. Thank you guys. See you next videos.